Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the house of Design and Style with Stacy. Today's video is a Thanksgiving DIY, and what I'm showing you here is my inspiration piece. This turkey was purchased from Tuesday morning, and I'll link it in the iCards if you'd like to see that haul. This inspiration is for these two here. I will be transforming the twins to match mom. If you'd like to see how this turns out, keep on watching. This is the spray paint I will be using for this project. I will have it listed in the description box. This video is also part of a monthly collab that I do with my YouTube sisters, the Heaven's Pearls. This month we're focusing on gratefulness, and we're going to tell you just why we're grateful. Now that the base coat is complete, this is the fossil satin that I am placing on the turkeys. I didn't want it fully covered, so this is where we are at this point. And now we're going to get ready to apply the two different gold paints to it, just to give it more depth and dimension. Now, as you can see, I applied the gold paints while the base coat was still wet, so that it'll give it an opportunity to blend perfectly. And this is how it turned out. Now, why am I grateful? I'm grateful because God is God. He's my father. He's my brother. He's whatever I need when I need it. He's never let me down. All right, guys. Here it is after I have let it completely dry with all three spray paints applied. I'm trying to get it where you can see it. You can see here the gold colors, just to give it a little more depth. And what we're going to do now, I'm going to go in with this paint pen, the gold leafing. Instead of hand painting it, this is a lot easier. You can purchase these from Amazon or Michaels. I purchased this one actually from Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description box. Shake it up real good. And I'm just gonna go across the tips like this. To be honest, most people think of being grateful and thankful during this time of year, the Thanksgiving holiday. But to be truthful, we should be thankful and grateful every single day that you wake up and you have another day to get it right. I'm gonna finish this off camera, and I'll be right back to show you the finished product. They are complete, you guys. I may come back and add some actual flake gold leafing just to the fantail at the bottom. And there's the inspiration. Trying to get it a little closer so you can actually see the sparkle. It has a little bit, but I think I'm gonna go back and add a little bit more. And that'll do it for this DIY for today. And have you given any thought as to what you are truly, in your heart, grateful to God for? Leave a comment down below. If you like. If not, I completely understand, because our relationship with the Father is also personal. All right, guys, stay woke, stay prayed up, and I will definitely see you in the next one. If you'd like to see what the real final outcome of the turkeys are, make sure you come back on Thursday for the open collaboration for the Thanksgiving tablescape. All right, you guys. Peace.
For you, love you like the ocean, love you in slow motion. Anything it takes to make you stay, but I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time.